Hello everyone. I don't know if you can see it up there, but that looks like the moon. Well, I mean, it is the moon. I don't know if you can see it in the sky there or not. It's a beautiful day. All the birds are happy. It's rather warm and humid though, already. Joy had to go run an errand. This should be her pulling up, I'll bet. Here's our little car. It's a good little car. It's a Chevy Spark. Hello. I don't see a cloud in the sky. Everybody likes the rock over there. Ezekiel thought it was an asteroid that hit the ground. Maybe. I know back years ago, before all this stuff was grown over here, which is no fault of mine, but anyway, it's a different story. But back through there and all that mess is a bunch of rocks like that. I mean, a bunch of them. To me, that's probably a good sign, though, because we're probably sitting on bedrock, is what I'm thinking. Because this house has been here probably since 1965 at least, or even earlier. And it's not hardly settled any. There's a couple little places it's got little cracks, but I've monitored them over the years and put a little mark on them with a magic marker, and they're not moving now. Every house is going to settle some. The people across the street, their pillars on their front porch have fallen off twice because of it settling, and they had to have, new ones put in. Well, I wish live chats would work back here. It'd be more comfortable for me if it would work. I don't know what to do about it because I'm too far away from my Wi-Fi here. I mean, it works out here, but it cuts off and buffers a lot. because I enjoyed the live chat yesterday, but I'd rather do it out here if possible. I don't guess I'll be able to. I think Kitty was in the window. Hey, Kitty. Hey, Kitty. Oh, she's asleep. You see her paw up there? Kitty. Hey, Kitty, what you doing? Sleeping? So leave me alone. I'm asleep. Hello, Adam. How are you this morning? Hey, everybody. I'm doing pretty good this morning. It's a nice day. Yep. And I forgot to show those peppers yesterday there beside of him. And one of them, the one on the bottom, is finally starting to turn orange. Because they're orange color. I've been wondering how long it would take. There's 3 of them there. Big peppers. Okay. Oh boy. Well, everybody, I think I'm going to get off here for now and go back inside. It's pretty warm and, like I said, real humid out here. So I need to do some things in the garden later. I did cut a bunch of dead leaves and stuff, but it's making a comeback from that. But I had to because the leaves that were affected were dying. You can still see some white spots on a few of them. That and the green beans are doing great. So I need to just check over everything. You gotta keep track of it daily. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please press like, subscribe if you hadn't already. Hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. I noticed that some of the wildflower seeds that I put in that stump that I was showing you yesterday, they're starting to come out. So I hope they all come out and make that little area, prettier. So I'll talk to y'all later on today. Have a good one.